There are 5 easy steps to add a new memory. Finerday will take you through them one at a time. The first 3 simple steps ask you to choose a title, a layout, and a background color. There are blue Save for Now buttons throughout, so that you can stop for a break whenever you want. This will save your memory as unfinished. You can continue again whenever you want to. You can preview your memory at most stages. When you have finished previewing, click on the Go Back button to return to the process of writing your story. Step 1 is to choose a title. Just type in your title and click the green Save and Proceed button. If you ever make a mistake, don't worry, you can change this later. Secondly, you will choose a layout. There are 3 types: a story without photos, a story with photos, or a photo album. You can see what each type looks like in the About Memories video. Then you will choose a background color. There are 9 options. The bottom 3 include textures. Click the green Save and Proceed button to continue. Step 4 is to add photos. If you don't want to add photos yet, or at all, click on the Skip This Step button. Please note that you have to add photos if you have chosen the photo album layout. Once you have uploaded your photos, you can add their titles, and there is a great option to change the order in which they appear in your memory by simply clicking the up or down arrows. Then you can write your story. If you have chosen either of the story layouts, don't worry about how words and pictures will appear. Finerday will ensure that the finished memory looks good. If you have chosen the photograph album layout, there are clear places to write for each photo. Don't worry if you write too much. Finerday will wrap the text around each picture. Finally, you can choose who will see your memory, family or friends, or both. Then you're ready to publish your memory. If you want to make any changes, don't worry, you will be able to edit your memory later at any time.